Hello guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to create and edit an static vlog in CapCut. So first, just select the videos and that you want and import them to CapCut, and then go to adjust, and then here you can adjust the brightness, contrast, saturation, highlight, or others into your liking. Okay, when you are done, just click on the check icon, and then if needed you can also trim the video to the length that you want, and then here you can just add the tags. For example like this, and then pick the phone. Okay, and also if you want you can also add animation. Like this. Then after that, go to the video effects, opening and closing, and add the horizontal open effect. Click on the check icon, and you are done, and this will be the result. Okay, so that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like this video, comment, and click on the thanks. Bye.